Assalamu alaikum dear friends, how are you? Hope you all will be fine. Today I will teach you about how you can set the default file saving location. If you are currently working on Excel, then you have to save files in different locations. If you want to set your files to a single location or default location, and you change the location of file saving, then you can easily do it. Before I will tell you how you can do this, I request you to please like my video and subscribe to my channel so that you can easily take the benefit of all the videos and get informed with all the interesting and awesome contents which I post to my group, which I post to my channel regularly. TRICKSY tips, as you are aware of it, so you can easily excel in your current skills and polish your data analysis skills along with my videos watching. Okay, so I also request you to please watch this video from start till end to take the maximum benefit. So today's class will be started now, and I will tell you how you can save file to a default location, or you can change default location of your file saving in Excel. It doesn't matter which kind of which version of Excel you are following, which you are working, but the method will be the same. You can easily set the default file saving location. So okay, now moving through file, we will click on to do this. To do this, we will click on file and we will go to options, and then Excel options Windows pane will be opened, and then you will click on save, and when you click on save, then you will have some options on right side. Then how customize how workbooks are saved, then you will see default file location. Here is your target which you can change. You can change it to documents or whichever location, desktop location. You will have to remove this and you will write your desired location, and my desired location is documents, so I will not change it, but just I was telling you so how that you can change this by default, so that whenever you will save a file, if you don't change, then it will be automatically saved to that location. And from here the steps, by following the steps, you can easily change your location of your file during the saving of Excel file. Okay, so today's class has finished, and I request you to please take care of yourself and enjoy winters, and coming through the next class we will learn some more interesting things. So please take care of your family, friends, and everyone. Stay tuned with me, and we will meet you in the next class by the way of Allah, inshallah.